It was a lovely sunny day at Silverhatch. A great day for racing, but not such a great day for crashing.
Are you okay, Tin Top?
Yeah, sure, I'm fine, thanks, Roary. I've had worse.
I'm not sure Big Chris will see it like that.
I think you got a point there.
Come on, let's get you fixed up.
What have you done now? Look at the state of you. If you were more careful on the track, you wouldn't need to be patched up every 5 minutes.
Sorry, Big Chris.
I didn't mean
That's
to do
it.
No more crashes today. Please, take it easy and slow down on those bends.
Okay, Big Chris. I promise I'll be careful. But being careful doesn't sound like much fun.
What a mess! Oh, I know, FB. But we'll have this cleared up in no time. You make a start while I fetch my brush to sweep up.
OK, Farmer Green. Tidying up is so boring. That looks like fun. I'd much rather be playing with Roary, Maxi and Tin Top instead. I know. If I tidy up in double quick time, maybe I'll be able to play too.
FB, are you all right? What have you done? Oh, look at the state of you. Oh dear, you were supposed to be tidying up, not making even more mess.
Sorry, Farmer Green.
Oh, come on then. We'd better get you to Big Chris to get you fixed up.
Hi, Roary.
I wonder what's wrong with FB.
Eat my dust, Roary!
No way!
Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, Big Chris said I had to go slow round the bends.
A lovely cup of Her Majesty's tea. That'll do me nicely.
Hello, Big Chris. Can you help? FB has had a bit of an accident.
Not you two. I've just finished sorting young Tin Top out. Oh, come on then, let's get you sorted.
Yes! I won! I won!
Well done, Maxi. Great race.
Not for me. I can't race properly if I have to be careful. That makes me slower.
Oh, sorry, Tin Top. Let's race again.
No thanks.
Poor Tin Top. FB didn't look very happy either. Come on, Maxi. Let's go and cheer them up.
We were clearing up the yard, you see. Oh, right old state it was. But now it's even worse. I mean, car parts, hay bales, all over
I know
the
you
place.
feel, Jack.
Oh, what a state.
I get one car sorted out, then there's someone else in a scrape. I'm going round in circles. My time's not my own. You think we were doing a demolition derby out there on the track, not racing. It's all work, work, work. Where's my me time?
It's not our fault.
Yeah, all we want is to have a bit of fun.
Maybe you can. I think I know a way to cut Big Chris's workload, clear up the mess at the yard, and let Tin Top and FB have fun without any scrapes.
Hey, I like
That's a
it,
super
yeah.
idea, Roary.
Nice one, son.
What is it? What is it?
Go on, tell us.
It's a secret. Okay, does everyone know what they need to do?
Yes!
Come on then, let's get motoring. Go, go, go!
Ow! Perfect. Thanks, Plugger.
No problem, Big Chris.
What are they for?
Oh, I don't know, but it doesn't look good.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Big Chris, what are you doing?
If you
What are
bend
doing to
it,
me?
you mend it. So that's just what I'm doing.
But these aren't my car panels.
Don't worry, FD. I've not forgotten about you. You're next.
Oh, could this day get any worse?
I can't wait to see their faces. Big Chris, Farmer Green needs everyone's help up at the farm.
That'll be to clean up the mess I made.
Come on then, you two. Let's go and lend a hand. It's the least you can do after all that trouble you caused.
Oh, what's happened to all the mess? It's all tidy. I thought we were coming to clear it up.
We don't want you to tidy up.
What? You don't?
No, we want you to make a mess.
And go as fast as you possibly can.
You do?
Time for your demolition derby.
Oh, I love it! I love it! I love it! But I thought we had to be more careful, Big Chris.
Not with those false panels and rubber bumpers, you don't. I've made sure you can't harm yourself or anyone else. But more importantly, I won't have to fix any dents either.
Wow, awesome!
Well, what are you waiting for? Start demolishing.
Love it!
Steady on FB.
Well done. Come on, do it. Go for it. Well done, mate.
Brilliant, Tin Top. Oh, that's the best.
This is brilliant!
Demolition derby races are the best, with no bumps or scrapes to worry about. Too right.
This is I want to turn.
And me. Can you turn us into demolition derby cars too, Big Chris?
Oh no, what have I gone and done? I've given myself even more work.
As the lights went down at Silverhatch, it looked like it had been a good day for crashing after all. Safely, of course.